Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Invest Desk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecast. My name is Syed, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what is causing Bitcoin to crash. Very important. So the Bitcoin price has crashed from over 72,000 yesterday, right, a couple of days ago, to a low as about $64,000. That's what the price is at this point in time. Well, there are several obvious reasons for this, such as number one is liquidation of extensive long positions on the red hot futures market, which makes sense because people have been buying and holding Bitcoin for a little over a year, right? So that makes sense. So due to the extensive long positions, that makes sense. Expectations of a higher for longer policy by the Federal Reserve as a result of hotter and expected inflation data and a relatively weak inflow day of the spot ETFs yesterday, right? So, a few reasons right here, right off the bat, very important. That's the reason why Bitcoin is sort of like falling, right? Or crashing, if you will. But there's also another rumor that reveals that yet another hidden reason for the crash, which is a failed spread trade by a hedge fund that resulted in over $1 billion in losses. So that's another rumor that that's happening, right? So that could be causing the Bitcoin crash as well. Now, that could be, there are other reasons as well. So, for example, MicroStrategy, right, under the leadership of Michael Saylor, has been leveraged play on Bitcoin for a long time, with the substantial holdings often leading to significant interest from short sellers. So, the MSTR currently has a 3 billion of short interest, roughly about 20% of its float. So imagine a lot of that float is, of course, through trade fi boomers trying to capture the premium to net asset value. Now, renowned Bitcoin analyst BitPayne and German crypto analyst Florian Bruce corroborated the narrative, pointing to the unwinding of a significant spread trade as the catalyst for the market movements. Now, that dip, of course, is because of the fund blew up on their MSTR or BTC short, right? That kind of makes sense that I've been talking about earlier. So, the clear exposition of the strategy gone wrong, a hedge fund set up a spread trade shortly before the ETF approval, and that was one of the reasons. So, the idea behind it was that it will fall through the ETF while BTC rises, right? Well, that didn't happen. Okay, so BTC was sold and the shorts on the MSTR were closed. Now, this is probably also the reason why the MSTR has just had a small mini rally and is doing less badly other than BTC ETFs. Okay, so well, of course, there's a dip, there's a correction also, but it's not going to last long. That's what Bitcoin is all about because Bitcoin historically has been very resilient, even though, of course, it's very volatile, but it has shown resiliency as well. It may take time, but that's going to happen. Okay, so this is why Bitcoin is crashing. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Hope this helps. I'll see you guys next time.